So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashita Sharma and today I'm gonna review on the three mascaras. Actually, I'm comparing three mascaras which I got purchased, and I just want to show the pros and cons of that mascara. So if you are looking for a mascara, or if you are planning to make a purchase of mascaras, which are I'm discussing about, so you should watch a video before making purchase of this mascara. So without wasting any time, just move towards the video. So today we are talking about this three mascaras, and this is two from the Maybelline brand and one is from the Make brand. So basically, first of all, the first mascara is this is Make Hyperlink mascara. This is one of the best mascaras I have ever used, and this is totally waterproof mascara. If you want to remove that mascara, you have to just apply makeup remover or some oil on your lashes, so that then only this will remove from your eyes. It doesn't smudges your lashes, and it doesn't create that crease line or black line under your eyes. So I just like these things about this mascaras, and it is totally mentioned. It is coming to two categories. One is washable. Washable means it will wash out when you wash your face, and it will just clean it out. And then second category is it is waterproof mascara, so it will not come even you wash your face. So it's true. Even if you are washing your face, this mascara will not come out from your eyes. So this is the best part. If you are looking for a waterproof mascara, this is one of the cheapest mascara, cheapest price. It is available at cheapest price all the time. The discounts are available on the Nykaa, so you can make a purchase of 250 rupees, and this is one of the best mascara, and I will highly recommend this mascara. After using this mascara, I just thought that this is a better version of for from this mascara. So because it is a little bit expensive than that mascara, so I thought that this may be a good mascara than that. So I make a purchase, I bought this, and just I started using this, and after first use I just saw that this mascara smudges out, and it creates a crease line under your eyes, and after 2 or 3 hours it just creases out, and after 4 and 5 hours just make your eyes black, totally black. And it's mentioned that it is a waterproof mascara, so obviously you thought that it is a waterproof mascara. So I regret a lot after buying this, because I just wasted my money on this mascara, so I won't like this. And so this is it. So if you are looking for a washable mascara, so don't went towards the words that it is mentioned it is waterproof mascara. So it is not something like that. If you are looking for a washable mascara and you are just want to use for 2 or 3 hours, then you can make a purchase for this. And if you are a office girl, or you are just working woman, so you can just make a purchase about this mascara. So this is totally waterproof mascara, and this is cheaper than this mascara. So this is it. This is two from Maybelline brand, and I will recommend this because I like to apply a waterproof mascara on my eyes. I don't like that it smudges out from your eyelashes, so I just use this one, and I totally regret after purchasing this mascara. And if you are purchasing this mascara, then it's worth for your every penny, every single penny. So this is about these two products. Then I just want to talk about this MAC mascara. It's a small version, and I purchased it. I thought that is a high-end brand. So MAC products, I totally like MAC products. I like MAC foundations, MAC compacts, MAC lipsticks, each and everything. I have all MAC products. So I thought that I should give a try to a mascara also. Maybe it's will be the best mascara I have ever used, because it is a high-end brand, and we always expect a lot from these brands like Smashbox, like MAC, like Bobbi Brown. So I also have a lot of expectations. I had a lot of expectations from this, but after making purchase of this, I was super excited of using this. But when I started first time, it just smudges out from my eyes, and it is not a waterproof mascara, guys. It smudges your eyes, and after 3 and 3.5 hours, it just smudges. It creates a black line under your eyes, and it is an expensive mascara. Then also it is not, it will not fulfill your expectation if you are looking for a waterproof mascara. So who likes that their eyes will become black after some time? I think nobody will like that. So I don't think so it will fulfill your expectations. So I totally regret after making purchase of this also. So I just really regretted after making purchase of this two mascaras, and I like to use this mascara, and this is highly recommended from my side because it is an waterproof mascara. And if you are looking for a washable mascara, then you can make a purchase of this two mascaras. So yeah, this is it. And if you like my video, like, subscribe and share with your friends and spread this channel. So thank you so much guys, and see you soon.